In the warm daylight, a cat laps milk, peaceful and unaware. Beside the cat, a gleaming egg rests, untouched. A snake emerges, its gaze locked onto the vulnerable egg. The cat's eyes glint with predatory focus as it spots the snake. With lightning speed, the cat's paw lashes out, initiating a chaotic clash. The snake coils in response, a whirlwind of fur and scales in the kitchen. They roll and hiss, locked in a comical struggle that defies the danger. The snake accidentally steps into the spilled milk and slips. The cat seizes the opportunity. The cat finishes the remaining milk in the bowl,